Hello dears, today we will see EA and double E sound. EA makes the sound of E. EA makes the sound of long E. Example: SEAC, TEAT, PEAP. Now let us see other words. EA sound: SEAC, BEAB, LEA, Lee, PEA, P, TEA, T, FLEA, Flea, PLEA, Plea. Now double E sound. Double E also makes the sound of long E. Double E also makes the sound of long E. Example: B double E, B, A double E, fee, K N double E, knee. B double E, B, F double E, fee, G double E, gee, H double E, he, T double E, T, S double E, C, W double E, V, F R double E, free, G L double E, glee, K N double E, knee, T R double E, tree. If you like my class, please subscribe and share. You should practice every day at your home because practice makes you perfect. Thank you.